Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the alarm clock custom ringtone on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Google Play Store on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this and install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on open. From here, just select agree and continue. Then select not now. And from here, just tap on the X icon. Now the next step is to select ringtones on the bottom of the screen, and from here you can download any custom ringtone from here. For an example, I will select this one. Now once you select your custom ringtone, then tap on the download icon over here. Then tap on set alarm sound. Now just enable this toggle, then go back. And as you can see, we have successfully downloaded this alarm sound on our smartphone. Now to set it as your custom alarm sound, just go to your home screen and open the clock app. Now just select alarm at the bottom of the screen, and from here you can tap on the plus icon and you can create a new alarm, or you can select an existing alarm. From here, just tap on ringtone, then tap on this device. And from here, as you can see, this is the custom ringtone we have downloaded. Now once you select your custom ringtone, then go back and tap on done to save. And this is how you can change the alarm clock custom ringtone on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.